What is up, everybody? Let me turn down this other monitor. Damn, I got one viewer, brother. Let's see what gold did today. What up, options? Let's see. I'll be here for market open. Let's see what it does upon open. I actually have a runner still running. Let's actually see what my runner is doing. Let's watch it on market open. Yeah, bro, I'm still in the sell. Look at my entry. Tell me that's not the cleanest entry. My stops are at break even. Yeah, after what happened today, bro, this horrible choppiness, price barely moved today. I think that on the 4-hour with this double top we're getting, this is like the perfect entry if we are to reject. If this is to come down, man, I literally don't have a TP. I think I might have a TP. Yeah, my TP is at 25.89. I gotta pay for Zoom and then I'll be able to send out Zoom links. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let's look it down to the 1 minute, see what happens. Yeah, bro, today I took many losses, many losses. Look at this, I'm at 107.94 from 110 that I was this morning. True, I gotta download Discord on this. I have Discord running on my second computer. Oh, market opened. Probably opens in a couple minutes. So what happened today? Today, look at this, bro. I took a loss. Where is this? I took a sell. Lost 1,100. I took another sell. Lost 2,000. I'm still top 10. Okay. That's what the daily candle looks like. There's really nothing that we could say that it's gonna do. We're at all-time highs. Price is looking bullish. We had a rejection off all-time highs. On a Wanda, it looks bullish, but over here, it doesn't. The daily looks different. The 4-hour looks different on these brokers. Yeah, honestly, I'm looking for a breakout out of this range. Tonight looks like I'm gonna scalp. Maybe we can get a short here. have some alarms set for my TP and my take profit, or my break even. Good idea, options. I gotta move Discord over to my other computer so that I'll be able to put your guys' sound on the screen. Honestly, bro, with this daily, how it opened up. Why does this daily look so off? The daily just opened. Do you hear the music? There we go. The candle reset. You fuck with the music or no? Three people watching. Hey, what's up, third person? I'm about to text my boys. If they're not showing up, all you are gay. What up, G? You guys take any trades today? You guys want to see my runner? I got a runner going on, how do you remove all the drawings? I got a runner going from all-time highs. No TP. I also got chopped around today. This is my only good position. I took 3% loss today. Look, 3%. But with that, I am still, I should be still, let's see. These are the standings. Right now, I'm number 7 with 10.2%, and I'm down to almost 8%. So that knocks me down to boom, 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 16th place. That knocks me down to. So I have to get 2% more to be back in top 10 this week. So I really got to lock it in this week. It's going to be tough. I had a greedy little run here. This one was unnecessary. Say stop loss, stop loss. This was unnecessary, bro. Shouldn't have happened. But it's gonna be fire, bro. What up, Richie? I see you. How did market open? Market open bullish. So what can we expect for tonight? So with this chop that we had these last few hours of the day, it started pushing the last half of the day, and it really didn't even go anywhere. We kind of just started rejecting up here. So I mean, for me to be comfortable taking anything, bro, I would like to see a rejection off of something major. We did kind of reject off of here, and we are kind of coming down. Let's see. This is how I start charting up. See how it's starting to respect levels. There's literally nothing to the left there. All I can see is this. So if we start coming back down here, that's not bad to take some sells to come down. Because what do you have? Price is coming down and it's starting to form lower lows. Price is starting to come down and use this level as some sort of resistance. So if we start to respect this, we can expect something to come down like that, and then I would be taking some entries to come down like this, somewhere right here. That's what I look to get into with some stops up here. I don't want to have a stop loss all the way at all-time highs. But after testing all-time highs today during New York and then coming down towards the end of the day, we might see a pullback right now before a drive down. It's very difficult to say, but I would be kind of looking for a continuation down. Hey bro, I don't know how to set up no night bot, but I'll be the night bot. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. There we go. Type something options. Let me give my boy Richie a mod status, even though he's never gonna show up again. Like this will be his first time popping, pipping, and dipping. Yo, wrenched you guys? Wrenched you? This runner's running, ain't it? I'm up 50 pips on it. Not a whole lot, but it'd be awesome if we can just die tonight and continue the trend down. Yeah, bro, honestly, I would like a continuation. I would like some sort of pullback now before the market opens at 8 o'clock and then a drive down, bro. That would be the cleanest, I would imagine. Unless we just keep coming up and up and up. Yeah, bro, we might just continue coming up, up. Boom, and this could just be the next bottom before driving up. This could be the break and retest before coming up. But for it to do that during Asian, I mean, it's possible. We had a 100 pip runner with Asian with market mechanic afterwards. I gotta get a night bot with the market mechanic. Let's change change some of these songs, bruh. So far, nothing's really lagging my iPad a little bit, but maybe once I add Zoom, that might be it. Spaceman, my fucking dog. You know what, bro? Everybody that shows up today, dog, is getting a fucking wrench. How'd you guys do today? What'd you guys do? I've had quite a bit of losses today, bro. I'm gonna see if I can plot out my losses on. I took a sell here, and I got stopped out here. This was my sell idea. So once we rejected here and we flipped bearish, that was my sell idea. I lost here on US 30, and then I took a loss on gold. What was that? No, that was another loss on US 30. So I took 2 losses on US 30. I think I also tried to short again earlier in the day here. I tried to short like somewhere like right here, and I got stopped out. I got stopped out twice on US 30 today, bro. Yeah, sell. And then the runner from last night was a partial close from here. Or sorry, I took these 2 trades. So I took sells here. And then I also, it was more over here before we started driving up. It was on this bottom wick here. And then I took another short here where we're at right now. So I have a screenshot, but that's how close we were to my stop loss. So once we pulled down on this first wick, after I took this short, once we pulled down on this first wick, I closed this first position here, which was the 2 lot at 290. And then I had a 1 lot going here. I let that 1 lot run, and I closed it somewhere down here for 450. So I closed that 1 lot at 45 pips. I closed 0.8 of it, and then I'm leaving, yeah, right here, 0.8. And then I left a 0.2 running. So my idea is once we get to the bottom of this range, that 0.2 should be somewhere like 500 bucks, and then I'll close a quarter of it out or half of it out, and then I'll leave the other 0.1 running just in case we continue coming down. So yeah, I plan on managing the short here, and then I'm letting the other half continue. I'm not managing that 0.1. I don't want to leave a 0.01. I want to leave a 0.1 because if that 0.1 runs like 1,000 pips, that's 1,000 bucks. 1,000 pips, it's crazy, but what would 1,000 pips be? That's 600 pips. We would have to reverse this whole push up. 760 pips. If a 0.1 drives all the way down here, that's 706. That's almost 1% off of 0.1. Hey, buddy, I'm on live stream. Knock it off. Say hello to my little friend. This is my dog Milo. He's the reason I lose a lot of trades. He likes to press the sell button instead of buy button sometimes. Oop. Where am I ranked on the TTE? I'll show you right now. So it depends what happened today. Oop. It depends what happens today. I am number 7 where I was this morning, but I dropped down to 8%. So now that I have 8%, I am number 11, anywhere between 15 and 11. So I have to gain a couple more percent to be in the top 10. So I really got to grind this next week out to stay back in. I had a tough 3 days. But this guy's a savage. This guy was at 20% a couple days ago, and he's just a fucking savage. This guy, 18% in a single day. This guy traded normal. I don't know about any of these other guys, but I think one other guy got like 10% in one day. But I was up to like 15% at one point. Yeah, bro, number 1 is insane. That's wild. He's actually a good trader. He's been steadily gaining 2%, 3% every day, except for I think Tuesday this week. Whatever day we had news this week, he went up like 8% in a day. Yeah, bro, I got knocked down a couple more, so I just gotta make my way a little bit back, bro. It's a battle, bro. These guys are fucking savages. I can't compete with these gamblers that aren't in the leaderboard one day and then the next day they're back in. That's tough. So I'm at what, 53 pips in profit on this position, but sadly a 3% loss day. Last time I took this short, it was much better. I shorted off this high right here. I took 2 small losses trying to short it on the way up, and then I shorted this and I caught 140 pips on a 3 lot. That was this move down here. Let's see. I held that 3 lot all the way through. Where is it? Let's just go to the highest profit. Right here. There was these 2 trades, this 2500 and this 2800, these 2. So I had what was that? What's the size? 4 lots. So I had 4 lots going from the top here all the way down. So these are the entry and the close price. So this is the move that Market Mechanic and I have been looking for off these all-time highs, but we haven't been getting that. We haven't been getting this rejection of all-time highs on our way up here. So that's why I closed the majority of my 4 lot or 3 lot, sorry, that I had running. I closed the majority of it because we can literally continue the flow straight up. We didn't have this rejection here. This rejection was in 30 minutes, 45 minutes. We had this massive rejection. Yeah, bro, I think I'm officially done with Apex. I mean, I have a 100k account in like full deep drawdown. I might try to wing it for news or something, maybe set some buy stops, but fuck Apex, bro. That shit is trash. It's not trash to the people who have the patience to trade a 0.1 even on a 250k account, but I don't have the patience to do that, bro. I don't have the patience to do that. And look at this. I've been risking multiple percent per trade on here, and I haven't broken any rules. And obviously I'm gambling the account. I'm not gambling, but I'm over risking way more than I normally would. I'm opening up a 1 to 4 lot on a 100k account when I was doing that on a 250k account. When on the 250k I wasn't even. No, yes, bro. I'm trying to pass it, obviously, but I was over risking to get to the top percentage. If I were to be taking a 1 lot and trade how I trade with a 1 lot, I wouldn't have been able to to get this high up. But bro, I went from not on the board to placing 5th, or sorry, to placing 7th, to placing 2nd place, to holding top 5, and then now I've got knocked down to top 10. So I'm still in this, bro. I'm still in this bitch. I'm still fighting fucking hard, especially if we get a massive dump, bro. Imagine if this dumps. How many pips would that be? Right now I'm in profit 54 pips. So if this drives down, that's 840 pips. With the 0.2, that's 1,600 bucks, 1.5%. But yeah, bro, we gotta make it to the top 10, bro. We have to represent the devious side, bro. That especially with how beneficial it is to be in the community and be recognized by that many people, especially when you win the competition or your name's been on the leaderboard for multiple days. So how do you download the Nightbot? Oh, I gotta look that up. Once I look that up, I'll be able to. Market open hasn't done anything. We don't really have anything breaking. Those of you that like to trade trend lines, let me see if I can draw something out for you. I don't fucking know how you draw trend lines, bro. You draw that on the top or on the bottom? Help me out here, bro, market. I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I draw support, resistance, and then I start looking at my candles. Start looking at what are you doing? I see. I see. I can do right there. Oh, damn. This is a weird ass candle right here. You guys do your trend lines on the higher time frame or on the lower time frame? Cause see here, it's kind of not on the body here, but it is here and here. What do you prefer? You prefer it off the top right here? Five-minute body makes sense. Yeah, see if we start getting some closures above here, breaking that trend line, those are some good buys. This is what I would like to see. Since we're already forming higher highs and higher lows here, if we get a breakout like this, I'd wait for a pullback and then a 1 minute this, like a double bottom on the 1 minute, and then I would be getting in some buys like here, like this. This is normally what I look for. And then I'll have my stop loss either here or here at these lows, because once we break these lows, which would be a continuation of the break of the daily lows, we're likely going to come down and grab some more liquidity down here, and I don't want to be in that. I'd rather be in this portion here, maybe take a pineapple here, because we might get a rejection halfway up and I can close break even or slight profit. But this is basically what I would look for. You guys would take a break right here. I would be in there a little bit later with this a little bit smaller stops, or the same stops, I guess. Oh yes, you sent a screenshot. Want to retest that. I don't know if y'all heard that. If you did, my bad. Yeah, I'm going to the gym in like 10 minutes. Yeah, but look at these cutscenes. Pretty good for free, bro. pay the 200 bucks for the year, which comes out to like, sorry, it comes out to like 100 bucks, comes out to like $8 a month. Yeah, so like 200 bucks for the year, and then it'll take the logo away. But I like the talking one instead of the overlay. I like this one better. My boy told me this was the LGBTQ stream, but not problem. Taking back the fucking rainbow. The rainbow's mine. Yeah, that's not bad. Some buys here wouldn't be so bad. Maybe a little scalp up. That's how I would see it. I don't know how I would be able to. I would have to be very careful scalping on my way up here. See if we, by the time that I come back from the gym, if we start getting some closures above, that would be the break of that trend line. That would be a closure above the most recent resistance. We have an iffy area here that we gotta worry about, at least for me, that I gotta worry about, but it depends what starts happening. If I can get a buy stop, sort of this area here, then I can be break even by the time that we get there, which is 11 pips. So I can be break even by the time that we get here, so that if we do react off this level and continue down, I'm already break even at 11 pips. So since our stops are 28 pips, I can jump in there with like a 3 lot and be risking under 900 bucks. So I could be risking 800 bucks if I go in there with a 3 lot. So, but a few things have to set up on the 5 minute on the way up. We would have to have that closure, the pullback, and then that push. You see what I'm saying? That's how I would scalp that. Since my stops would be down here at 27 pips, I would probably enter with like a 2 lot possible, since I've already had like a 4-day losing streak. I would probably enter with like a 2 lot. That's like plus 200 there. I would close like 75%, maybe like 150 bucks, and then let the other 0.2 run. Because if that 0.2 runs and takes me out here, that 0.2 runner would be at 63 pips. So that would be like another 200 bucks, or in total this would be like a $400 trade. Almost 0.5% in a small scalp, risking 500 bucks, and you make 500. That's not bad. Honestly, depending on how we react at all-time highs, if we don't get this, bro, this is what I want to see. This. I want to see, like, let's go down to the 5 minute. This is the kind of rejection that I want to see. I want to see price fly up 325 pips in 20 minutes. Reject 90 pips in one 5 minute candle, and then I'll be comfortable taking sales off all-time highs, because we're not getting that no more. Because like the only time we had a similar move like that, we took a sell off this area here the other day. See, we moved 50 pips within 15 minutes. But unless we get those massive bearish candles where we moved 90 pips in one 5 minute candle, I'm not convinced we're going to reject off all-time highs anymore. Like if we start hovering in this area and we get like a 90 pip candle pushing down, that'd be wild. Then I'll be perfectly fine spamming sells. But I think that's gonna be it for me. I think that we might get some pullback, some buys coming up. The higher time frame. What happened now? We just had a 30-minute closure. This is more clear. 30-minute close. Doji. This candle's coming down for a bottom wick. This candle's coming down from bottom wick. We might be rejecting this area. Market open, came up and rejected it. It's iffy. I I'd like to see what the next hour does. We gotta start forming some structure. Maybe start coming up, doing something like this, or something like this. Because we do also have a trend line coming down this way or whatever. So if we can start following that shit coming down, some sells down wouldn't be bad for a continuation of that other position I'm in from up here. This is where I have my alarm for my take profit one, even though I have the take profit all the way at the bottom. But yeah, bro, it's price can literally go both ways, so I wait and see. Because I'm a scalper, so if I'm trying to do 20 for 20, I don't care about up here, I don't care about down here, I care about right here. Now, since I'm switching over to more of a swing mindset, then I start looking at the higher time frames and I'm like, all right, I need price to reject off of up here for me to get a comfortable swing coming down. If I want to take a swing trade and I can get price to reject off of here again, which would be the motion, if you guys know Donvo, high, if we can get the liquidity grab like the motion like Donvo does, like this coming straight down from here, we would, you guys can draw like your little upward trend line. Where the fuck? I gotta figure out how you guys draw those, brother, because they're very helpful in identifying if my trend is breaking and if my 1 minute setups are working. So if you get like a breakdown, you know, that'll be breaking your trend line. Yeah, market mechanic needs to give me some trend line classes. But yeah, bro, because if we start breaking the trend right here and then we start forming like this, that gives me even more confirmation that we're coming down, and I can take my sells to come down over here in this area, and I can use the daily high that we're forming here as my stop loss. Why? Because if the daily re-breaks its own high, then that means we're likely going to continue coming up for a higher liquidity grab somewhere. So I'll take the daily high wherever it forms, and then that'll be my stop loss on the way down. And then I'll enter like on a bullish candle coming down, something like this. Like once we get that closure below, as this candle flips, I'll have sell stops here. My stop loss would be above. This would be like a good entry for me. That's how I would treat that one. Same thing I would be looking for right here. See how this same move we just had it right here. Boom. But then right here, then it had the higher high that wicked up and came down. I'm looking for that same setup right here. I'm looking for that right here. Maybe that's the 4 hour level, so maybe it can happen a little bit higher, but anywhere. So I would have taken that level, this level, and then I draw a box here. There's supposed to be a line in the middle, and then the line in the middle, that would be my median level. So then I would delete this, delete this. So I would be looking for that wick somewhere in this area right here, which is the median of this level, that level, and this level. So it'll wick in this area or anywhere in this zone like this. I'll give it some space. So that's what I'm looking for to get that wick down. That would literally break your trend line. Boom. Break the trend line. And then you can take whatever sells down you want. Yeah, and and see what we're doing on the SMAs, bro, because then I would come down to the 5 minute, and you can see here how the 5 minute, bro, this is perfect textbook Eddie setup. You see how the 5 minute closed below right here? Just this 1 minute 5 that closed below. This candle wicked down, giving us some range. We came up, closed back up into range, faked out. Then this 5 came down with volume and closed below. I would have instantly market executed sells or had a sell stop right here on the break of this low. You see, we crossed the EMA. We're riding underneath not the EMA, the SMA. We're riding underneath the SMA. We had a closure below. This is perfect textbook continuation setup for me. even though we didn't have a top wick here, look how we came down, massive volume candle down. This candle came up, attempted to make a top wick for it, but there's so much bearish orders here that it just continued to push down. So that momentum going underneath the SMA, being pushed down by the SMA, that's perfect indication that we're coming down, especially after breaking these highs, doing the motion. That's clear sells down. And I think we did take this setup. Or yeah, I think we did take this sell setup if I'm not mistaken. But that's gonna be it for me, guys. I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I'll be back for market mechanic stream. Everybody show up to market mechanic. Ooh. Hey. My fucking man. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna roll out. I don't really use trend lines, but I have been seeing that whenever I've been entering my sells and I've been taking my positions, that I do get a trend line break. And I've been watching Market Mechanic take trades, and me and him have been entering a lot of the trades at the same time. And I've been scalping, and he's swinging, and we have the same entry. So I've been working on trying to continue holding on a little bit longer to my trades. And I've also noticed that the trend line can be helpful in identifying if I'm taking a continuation to make sure that we haven't broken a trend line, or if I'm taking a breakout to make sure that maybe we have broken a trend line or something, as well as broken out of the resistance. That would also help. So I've been trying to add a little more confluences to on the back end of the technical analysis. The candles are primary, so the five that closed below here, it formed the top wick first, then it came down bearish. That whole movement, the wick up here at this area of interest, all of that first, and then I'll take a look at that trendline break and the EMA and that after. I need to identify technical analysis first and make sure that the technical analysis is there before I take a look at any indicators or anything like that. I use them to help. But see here, if you start taking some buys coming up, you're re-breaking the daily highs, you're bouncing off a strong level of support, you're riding over the EMA, you're breaking out of that trend line. So buys tonight wouldn't be so bad with the way it's forming up here. We'll see what it looks like later. But take it easy, guys. I appreciate all. Let's see how many people came today. I know for a fact I wasn't talking all to myself. I had a total of 18 viewers with 5 concurrent viewers. That's what the fuck is up, bro. Let me not curse. It started picking up like around 6:20. That's when it hit the peak viewers. Have a good day, everybody. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna as soon as I get home every day, I'm gonna try to be there for market open, and recap my day and see what we can possibly be looking at for Asian. Market Mechanic's gonna be up in about what time is it? 6:45. He's gonna be up in about an hour. So everybody search up Market Mechanic and look him up on YouTube. He'll be live soon. And yeah, bro. Depending on how early I wake up, I might do like a 6:30 to 7 a.m. uh weekday stream, like pre-market analysis to see what the day's looking like, what we took for Asian. Just 30 minutes, quick half an hour a day, not too long. I don't want to in intrude on anybody's time or anything like that. And I think that these pre and post market analysis are perfect, especially if people have questions from New York or questions from Asian. They can come over here and ask the questions, and we'll be a little more available to answer. Especially since I'm a mod on both channels and I speak to Wix and stuff like that, we can facilitate questions and shit like that easier. Yeah, I'm up at 6 in the morning regardless. So like today I was ready by like 6:30. So I could literally come here for 30, 45 minutes and even a little bit later. I don't leave to go to work till 7:30 anyways. So I can do 7 to 7:30, or I can do like 6:45 to like 7:15 or something like that. If I wake up at 6 anyways, because I go to sleep like around 10, 11.
So by 6:30, that's around 7 to 8 hours of sleep anyway. So that's pretty much all I need. Yeah, I'm about to go to the gym now and get a pump. I haven't been in a minute. I went. Oh shit! I didn't mean to close that. Well, have a wonderful day, everybody.